Imagine seeing your work come to life with breathtaking clarity and color accuracy. But what if your monitor is holding you back? The ASUS ProArt Display PA32KCX isn't just another monitor, it's a game-changer poised to redefine high-end HDR monitoring. Let's dive into what makes this 8K display so special. For professionals in color-managed environments, like filmmakers, colorists, and graphic designers, a reliable and accurate display is paramount. It's the foundation upon which creative decisions are made. When your screen is consistent, your choices become more confident and efficient. But when it's not, even the smallest adjustments can feel uncertain and time-consuming. That's where high-precision panels like the PA32KCX step in, offering a consistent point of reference to keep your workflow flowing smoothly. ASUS has been consistently raising the bar with its ProArt series. We've previously explored the ASUS ProArt Display PA32KCX. Find our review at https://www.cined.com. ASUS ProArt Display PA32KCX review a well-balanced high-resolution K monitor for editing and everyday use. https://www.cined.com. ASUS ProArt Display PA32KCX review a well-balanced high-resolution K monitor for editing and everyday use. And even put the ASUS ProArt PA32UCDM monitor through our rigorous CineD lab test. Check it out here. https://www.cined.com/ASUS-ProArt-PA32UCDM-monitor. Review AMP Lab Test a remarkable color accurate OLED monitor for a decent price. https://www.cined.com ASUS ProArt PA32UCDM monitor. Review AMP Lab Test a remarkable color accurate OLED monitor for a decent price. These models have consistently impressed with their color accuracy and stability, setting a high standard for the ProArt lineup. And now, ASUS aims to push the boundaries even further with the ProArt Display PA32KCX. First look. https://www.cined.com/ASUS-ProArt-display-PA32KCX-32-inch-8K-HDR-mini-LED-first-look. https://www.cined.com/ASUS-ProArt-display-PA32KCX-32-inch-8K-HDR-mini-LED-first-look, slated for release in February 2026. This 32-inch 8K HDR mini-LED monitor is positioned as a reference class display meticulously crafted for professional color work. We caught our first glimpse of it at NAB 2024. Design and build, a masterpiece of engineering. At its heart, the PA32KCX boasts a stunning 32-inch 8K, 7680 by 4320 display, packing an incredible 275 pixels per inch PPI. This level of detail ensures exceptional clarity and sharpness. What truly sets it apart is its mini-LED backlight featuring 4032 individually controlled local dimming zones. This is crucial for achieving deep blacks and brilliant highlights simultaneously, resulting in exceptional contrast and detail in every frame. These dimming zones mean that the monitor can precisely control the brightness of specific areas of the screen, leading to a more dynamic and realistic image. To combat distracting reflections, ASUS employs its LuxPixel anti-glare low reflection (AGLR) coating. This coating is designed to minimize reflections without sacrificing image clarity, ensuring that colors remain accurate even under direct studio lighting. And this is the part most people miss. The AGLR coating isn't just about reducing glare, it's about preserving the integrity of the displayed image, ensuring that you see the colors and details as they are intended. Furthermore, the PA32KCX incorporates a built-in motorized colorimeter for automated calibration. This feature streamlines the calibration process and supports both Kalman and light illusion color space workflows. The monitor can also store calibration profiles internally, guaranteeing consistent accuracy regardless of the connected system. This is particularly beneficial when switching between different computers or devices. To maintain consistent performance during extended sessions, the PA32KCX utilizes ambient and backlight sensors. These sensors continuously monitor the environment and automatically adjust for variations in lighting or panel brightness during startup. This ensures that your viewing experience remains consistent, regardless of external factors. Display performance, brightness, color, and contrast redefined. The PA32KCX achieves a peak brightness of 1200 nits and sustains 1000 nits across the entire screen. This level of sustained brightness is exceptional, even among high-end HDR reference displays. It's more than just a number, it's a guarantee that your images will have the dynamic range needed to showcase true-to-life colors and details. The combination of high brightness and the 4032-zone mini-LED backlight enables precise local contrast, preserving detail in both shadows and highlights. This is where the magic truly happens. The PA32KCX can display incredibly dark blacks and intensely bright whites simultaneously, creating a dynamic and immersive viewing experience. Color accuracy is a defining characteristic of the ASUS PA32KCX. Each unit is factory calibrated using ASUS's advanced grayscale tracking system to achieve a delta E value of less than 1. This means that the colors displayed on the screen are virtually indistinguishable from the actual colors, ensuring exceptional accuracy. The monitor covers 95% of Adobe RGB, 97% of DCI P3, and 95% of Rec. 2020 color spaces, with true 10-bit color depth and quantum dot enhancement for a wider tonal range. The display supports HDR10 and HLG formats, with Dolby Vision support coming via a firmware update initially scheduled for Q3 2025. With this comprehensive format support, the PA32KCX is well suited for mastering and color grading across a wide range of delivery formats. Workflow and connectivity, designed for professionals. The PA32KCX is equipped with a comprehensive suite of high-bandwidth connections to cater to professional workflows. Dual Thunderbolt 4 ports provide 96-watt power delivery and daisy-chain support. DisplayPort 2.1 and 2 HDMI 2.1 inputs further enhance connectivity, accommodating most production and grading setups. An integrated auto KVM switch enables users to control two connected systems with a single keyboard and mouse. This simplifies workflow by allowing seamless transitions between editing and color grading stations. The built-in USB hub adds several USB-A and USB-C ports for connecting peripherals or external drives. The monitor stand supports tilt, swivel, pivot, and height adjustments, and the panel can also be mounted using a 100 by 100 mm VESA plate for added flexibility. Key specifications at a glance. Display, 32-inch 8K, 7680 by 4320, 275 ppi. Backlight, mini LED with 4032 local dimming zones. Brightness, 1200 nits peak, 1000 nits sustained. Color accuracy, delta E below 1, true 10-bit. Color gamut, 99% sRGB, 95% Adobe RGB, 97% DCI P3, 95% Rec. 2020. HDR support, HDR10, HLG, Dolby Vision via firmware. Calibration, built-in motorized colorimeter, hardware calibration, Kalman, and color space compatible. Connectivity, dual Thunderbolt 4, 96 WPD, DisplayPort 2.1.